everyone, welcome back to my channel, East Bay Stamp Chick. This is Michelle. Today's video we will be unboxing the Love from Lizi August kit. And let's check out what we got. She always packs so much into these boxes. Lots of goodies. So as usual, I have some extras that she let me pick out and some of the add-ons. And I have the actual kit. So let's look at the actual kit first and see what we've got. You always get a lot, that's for sure. Okay, so this one is called Timeless Travel. It's always named after the paper pad. This looks really pretty. She gives you 12 pieces of single-sided paper. So this kind of has a country cottagey, shabby chic type look to it. There are like a little old retro VW bus. There's a cruise ship. There's a suitcase, Coliseum, train. There's Big Ben. So it's like if you were to take a vacation. Little postage marks, and then there's the same thing but in color, or not the same, it's a little different, but it has a little more florals. It has postmarks, the Eiffel Tower, that hot air balloon, really pretty. Got a polka dot, a stripe, and then there's like just a random pattern, and then here's a map. I don't know if you can kind of see that. That's a map. It's a honeycomb pattern. This one's got like a little bit of cursive print in the background. You've got cruise ships with flowers. And then a herringbone. So there is your paper. You do get, I think it's 5 sheets of corresponding cardstock. And this is like super thick, really nice quality paper. Got one more here. Got all those pretty soft colors, but it's nice and thick. So you've got that. You've got your stickers. These are butterflies. Nice little gold. A piece of mesh. She always likes to add a bit of texture to the kit. And of course you have ephemera. You always get a lot of ephemera. I can never use all the ephemera, no matter how many cards I make, it seems. So let's see what we've got. This little train is so pretty. You've got your bus. There we go. And your old-fashioned car. Another bus. You've got a bike. And look at this globe with the floral. That's pretty. Here's your Big Ben. Another bike. A lot of repeated images typically. Oh, there's your Leaning Tower of Pisa. But they usually come in different sizes, which is really nice depending on what you're making. Well, here's an old style plane. And then just your florals. Oh, I like the hot air balloon. That is so pretty. So you get definitely a couple of sizes of everything. Look at those. Really gorgeous. Kind of the flowers give me like a little bit of an English garden vibe. So really nice. Oh, look at the suitcases. That is beautiful. And then here's your Eiffel Tower. And then there's some bigger, chunkier pieces here. There's your Coliseum. So really pretty. You also get the stamp set, which I love this globe with the flowers and that old car. And then you have several sentiments. Another trip around the sun. You are my greatest adventure. Sending happy thoughts to you. To thoughts your way. So yeah, so really usable stamp set there. And then let's see what's in the goodie bag. She always gives us some dies. So this time we're getting some travel dies. And okay, so we have a buildable Earth or moon, depending what you want it to be. And you've got arrows, you've got a plane, you've got the little arrow with the heart. Okay, so that's really cute. And let's see what kind of goodies we've got here. We have With Love, already comes with your foam square on it. Look at these bows. This ribbon is beautiful. Look at that lavender like floral on there. And this one, oh my goodness, I love those. So pretty. And then you get a pink one too. It's kind of like that antique-y pink color. This is velvet, really pretty beigey velvet ribbon. There is some gold thread in here, which I don't know if you can exactly see that, but that's super pretty. And oops, little piece of this metallic braid, 2 wood tags, so you could totally paint these, stamp on these. There's like a little resin frame in here and some kind of pale pinky peach type doilies. And she also has these like champagne colored rhinestones that are sticky backed already. And then charms. Lately she's been putting in charms and they have been so adorable. If you like to do folios or mini albums and you like to do a charm dangle, these are so perfect for that. So let's see what we have here. Hot air balloons, a plane, and some luggage. Those are really cute. Really cute ones. All right, so lots of goodies in this kit. I will have a link down below that will take you to Love from Lizi website. It is a subscription kit. She does do sometimes some a la carte kits as well. And she ships like pretty much worldwide. So you can take advantage of this, you know, almost wherever you're at. And always a good deal. So check that out. You can use the link down below at no extra cost. And if you like seeing what's in these kits, I will be doing a video coming up soon of me making cards with this kit. So you want to check that out as well so you have some inspiration and ideas. And you can give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of video and subscribe to my channel. That helps me out. But check it out. There are also some older kits available too, but this is the new one for August. All right. Thanks a lot so much, everyone, for spending time with me, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Bye-bye.